Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to the technical and quality section for understanding the technical requirement and quality standards in the clothing industry, making a sustainable garment. I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about what is sustainable garment in clothing industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Sustainable garment. Definition of sustainability. Sustainable means conserving an ecological balance by avoiding depletion of natural resources. Garments and products are apparel items we wear to cover our bodies. When a garment manufacturer makes a garment using sustainable materials, makes the garment following the sustainable processes, while taking into consideration of social and economic aspects of employees who are involved in making the garment from fiber to garment. It is called a sustainable garment. A garment can be labeled as a sustainable garment in many ways. There are many parameters one needs to satisfy before the company gets a certificate for labeling the garment as a sustainable garment. It is true that we cannot make 100% sustainable garments, so instead of trying to make 100% sustainable garments, we can try to improve things to become a sustainable manufacturer and improve our garments' sustainability level. Sustainable garment. As a garment manufacturer, you cannot control the cotton firming and fiber production. You cannot control the weaving and knitting processes. You cannot control the wet processing and fabric finishing processes to follow sustainable practices. What you can do, you can source sustainable fabrics and sustainable trims, certified materials for the garments that you will be making in your plant. Follow sustainable practices in your production processes which are possible. Definition of sustainable garments. A garment made of organic fabrics, organic cotton, bamboo, hemp, jute is a sustainable garment. But if the 100% organic cotton garments are made in a factory by underpaid laborers and where there is a threat of life, health and safety hazards involved for workers, the 100% organic cotton made garments are not sustainable garments at all. A 3D knitted garment is considered a sustainable garment. When you eliminate some processes from the standard garment making processes, step towards making a sustainable garment. The manufacturing processes becomes more sustainable when garments are made with the sustainable processes can be called a sustainable garment. No wet processing, no dyeing and no value added processes used can make a garment more sustainable by definition. If you do not dye the 3D knitted garments or do not print the knitted garments, and if the 3D knitted garments do not go through the wet processing, this garment becomes more sustainable. Now waterless washing is also possible. Definition of sustainable garments. Are the khadi items and khadi garments sustainable garments? Khadi fabrics and garments are known as a sustainable product because of no use or minimum use of natural resources in khadi production. Fossil fuel generated electricity, water, and any form of energy. When the yarn is made by hand, khadi, and weaving of fabric done by hand, handloom, garments are made by hand or blank head sewing machines. You cut fabric by hand scissors. You do not use any electricity. Here the garment making process is 100% sustainable. But if you look at economic sustainability, in most cases, khadi may not be a sustainable business. The khadi and handloom industries are not sustainable in the age of fast fashion, where mass production is dominating the manufacturing sector and we go for low cost items. Definition of sustainable garments. Custom made garments and made to order garments are more sustainable. In made to order, the garment is made when someone needs it. In made to order, you don't hold back material for making garments. Less processing of the material, the process is sustainable. When a garment is made from recycled materials, from the plastic bottle or from disposed of finishing nylon nets from recycled garments, it is also considered as a sustainable garment. Why? You have not used fresh cotton or other resources for making yarns and fabrics. You recycled the resources and you have used what is already there as waste. Thus, it is sustainable. But using waste material and converting it into a garment, you reduced waste in the environment and made the earth clean. When you made garments using the garment waste in the same manufacturing plant, the waste made garment is more sustainable compared to the garment made of fresh fabrics. Reason: by using waste material, you stop filling the land by solid waste. Second, you don't use fresh fabrics. Garment designs which are made with a least waste generation, no or minimum fabric cutting waste, no or minimum sewing processes. Example, a Japanese kimono. Conclusion: when you talk about sustainable fashion or sustainable garment in general, there are many aspects to be considered. You might have seen these days all brands manufacturing technology solutions associating their product in making the fashion industry sustainable. From the washing machine, printing machines, CAD system, real-time production tracking systems, dye and chemical manufacturers, process house, textile mills, all are adopting sustainable manufacturing and sustainable practices. When you use organic cotton, you need certification from the company's organization like GOTS. If you use the dyeing processes and washing processes in the fabric stage and garment washing, there are other certifications like ZDHC. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.